For a video streaming platform company, if you are asked a question, can you describe your last project that was on the video streaming project? Then you could answer the question in the following lines. At PwC, I led the backend architecture for a media content delivery platform that had strong parallels to what Solink is building. The core challenge was managing the full life cycle of media assets, that is, ingestion, processing, storage, and retrieval at scale across cloud environments. On the backend, I built Node.js services that handle Steam like ingestion workflows where incoming media had to be validated, processed through a pipeline, and returned to tiered storage on AWS S3. We used CloudFront as the delivery layer for high throughput, low latency access. One of the harder problems I owned was storage cost and performance. We were storing large volumes of time series content similar in structure to surveillance footage, and I designed a tiering strategy using S3 standard for hot data, S3IA for warm, and Glacier for archival data, with lifecycle policies automating transitions that reduce storage cost by a significant margin without impacting retrieval SLAs. On the performance side, I introduced Redis caching for metadata lookups in retrieval workflows, especially the equivalent of fast video search, and that cut API latency by 35%. I also maintained the Linux based deployment environments where these services ran, which involved IO tuning for write heavy workloads, monitoring with structured logging and tracing, and debugging performance degradation under load. The entire system was containerized within Docker, deployed through Kubernetes, and I built the CI CD pipeline in GitHub Actions. I worked closely with product and QA throughout and mentored two engineers on the team through design reviews and code walkthroughs. What connects this directly to the Solink role is the operational pattern, media assets with lifecycle states, tiered storage, retrieval performance under pressure, and cloud edge reliability. The domain was slightly different, but the engineering problems and the trade offs were nearly identical.